Have you ever encountered filament feeding issues during 3D printing, leading to compromised print quality? Or perhaps been frustrated by print interruptions when the filament runs out? In 3D printing, continuous and stable printing is crucial. WISEPRO 3D Printer Filament Buffer FB1. Intelligent buffering and continuous feeding to solve your printing troubles. The FB1 is easy to install on your 3D printer. The practical buffering function effectively reduces feeding resistance, ensuring smoother filament flow and improving print quality. The unique dual inlet, single outlet design allows for simultaneous connection of two filament spools. When the primary filament runs out, the backup filament automatically feeds in after 1 minute, ensuring an uninterrupted printing process. This ensures true continuous printing, so you never have to worry about filament depletion, even during ultra-long print projects. In addition to preventing print interruptions, you can prepare primary and backup filaments in different colors. When the auto refill is activated, it completes a color change, adding more possibilities to your prints.